Welcome everyone. Trust you guys are doing good. This here Tech. Thank you so much for coming. If you're a first timer, do way to like and subscribe to this channel. All we do is we drop video that will help beginners to grow in their music career, and specifically we'll do videos on keyboard and guitar. So if this is what really interests you, do way to like and subscribe to us to get notification whenever I drop new video. Okay, all right, so without wasting much time, so today what we want to work on is we want to look at how to follow some of all this prayer chant, like how this okay. So to follow some of those prayer chant songs, they are very simple. Okay, so you just need to know the starting. So once you know where it's starting from, just follow the procedure. So for example, this okay, so it's very simple. It's just first thing we'll be starting with fa, then you move to G, then you see that is to A now, that is the sixth chord. Then we're going to the third, that is E. Okay, I started with the fourth chord, that is fa, that is F. Don't mind the way I'm playing source chord. Okay, if you are playing, just play your normal C, F, A, C. Nice. You can see it. So hey so fa, so la, mi. Okay, then like this one, I see Jesus, sorry about that one. I see Jesus, so that one too is very simple. If you follow that procedure, it's just I see fa, so la, then again fa, so la, mi, so la. Okay, so I don't want to just spend too much time on that. Just understand most of those prayer chants, they usually last they land on the sixth chord, which is la. So even though I don't know some, I can easily play something like so sometimes when they are praying and they are doing stuff, so you can easily play some of those prayer chants, so it will really help you. So I can play F, and I play the third one, include this mic. So what I'm simply playing in this case is the sixth chord, that is La, A minor. Then I'm now playing E, but instead of playing my ordinary E here, this G here, I'm playing G sharp. Understand A, then E sharp. Okay, the G there, make it sharp. So it's just very simple. So if you find this video very helpful, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.